These days I am living in New York. I am working undercover for Dragon's agency as a street gangster. My job is to create a gang which will work according to the Intelligence Bureau. The concept is to bring a big criminal law to India through that gang. I work in a gang named Red Titans. Earlier my job in the gang usually revolved around stealing cars, bikes and smuggling and transporting weapons. I was given a job to kill a police detective. He was a young man of 32 years who led a miserable life. He was a divorcee, which made him alcoholic. His alcoholism had started to take over his life. Being drunk all the time, he didn't have control on himself and often cursed his colleagues and even his senior officers. But even in these problems, his mind was still active and sharp when he was working on cases. His dedication towards his work was much respected at his workplace, and his dedication overshadowed his alcoholism and cussing. After collecting his every information, I decided on which day I would kill him. On Tuesday nights, he comes to this house where he meets his friend. I was also having the gun and knife for the ease of my mission, but still I was nervous. I didn't know how to kill a good man, a man who had already seen so much in his life. He didn't deserve to die. The Tuesday night finally came. The detective entered his friend's house. I broke into the house by breaking their bedroom window and hid myself in the washroom. After a few minutes, the detective came up in the room to have a check. Just as he went towards the broken glass pieces, I stealthily came out of the bathroom and pointed my gun on him. He slowly stood up and turned around. "Don't think of me as a gangster. I am working undercover for an Indian agency," I said to him quietly. "How can I trust you?" he asked me. I showed him my ID and explained him everything. "I am happy and glad to see a brave kid like you. There will be an investigation, but I think you are smart enough to tackle it. Do your job," he said to me. I hesitated, but he encouraged me like a father. After a few minutes of struggle, I finally shot him.